Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing Fab Food Fridays with Farah. I'm so happy you could join me. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing fried chicken. So I'm going to start off with showing you my ingredients. I have the hot sauce, buttermilk, some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, joking, Worcestershire sauce. I'm sorry, y'all. Some salt. I also have some ground mustard. Instead of using the regular mustard, I'm using some ground mustard, lemon pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, paprika, as well as I use some Maggi cube. I just cut it in half. I didn't need all, the whole. Some onion powder, adobo. You gotta have your adobo. Some ground black pepper, as well as some garlic and cayenne pepper. You see my flour on the side. And then I have, some of my measuring spoons and measuring cups, as well as some bowls. Everything is always going to be listed in the description box. So here we go. So my chicken has already been cleaned using some lime and sour orange. I always clean my meat before, going ahead and preparing it. This is the seasoning I have. You're going to go ahead and use all your dry seasoning mix, put it in a bowl and mix it together. So here I'm going to take that dry seasoning mix and I'm going to go ahead and add it to the bowl with the chicken. And then look at that beautiful color. I'm going to go ahead and give it a good mix. I usually like to wear gloves when I'm dealing with meat. I think it's a little bit more sanitary. So you see I'm giving the chicken a nice rub. It's good to go ahead and make sure that all the seasoning is on the chicken and it's nicely coated. But don't use all your seasoning. Make sure that you leave some on the side. Here I'm adding my wet ingredients, which will also be listed in the description box. Here you see I'm adding the hot sauce. No, it does not make it too spicy. It makes it perfect. I'm telling you, it's not too spicy. It gives the chicken a little bit more, more of a kick to it. And then I'm going to mix that as well. My seasonings are added. My hot sauce is added. And I'm going to continue to add all of my wet ingredients to the chicken. Then I'm going to add some buttermilk, which makes it so good. This helps with the coating of the chicken. Mix that. Don't be afraid to get up all in there. Make sure everything is well mixed together. After that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my flour. This is what I'm going to add my seasoning to the flour. That's the rest that I had. That means I didn't use all of it all at once. I saved some to the side. And then I'm going to take my spoon and mix everything together just to make sure that my flour has seasoning as well. So you see here I'm showing you my super expensive fryer. Just kidding. It was gifted to me by some amazing friends. So made sure, I barely use it. I try not to fry as much, but I had to use it in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that my chicken is well coated. Add it to the flour and make sure I get as much flour as I can on the chicken. You can't lie, it's already looking good. So you see here, I'm going to add my chicken to the fryer. I only put 3 because I want it to be cooked really well. The cooking time was approximately about 10 minutes, I want to say. 9 to 10 minutes to make sure it's fried well and cooked. And look at that beautiful color. Please tell me how you enjoy this. That completes this video. Here's some pictures that I took of the aftermath. It's amazing. It also tastes great. And I had to show you this where I had some honey and some hot sauce. And look at that slow-mo. You can't tell me you don't want to try this. You have to. And if you do, be sure to leave your comments in the description box and tell me how the experience was. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.